Assalamu alaikum my dear student. Hope you are all well. I am here again with my new lesson. Hopefully you will must be practiced your previous lesson. Today we are going to discuss the introduction of continent Asia. All of you know very well about Asia. Yes, Asia, a continent where our country is situated. Before going to start the topic, first we will discuss its physical features with you. You can see here, this is continent Asia map. It is the largest continent on the earth by size as well as by population. It's cover almost 1/3 of the earth's surface. The world two highest populated countries, number 1 China and number 2 India. It's belong to continent Asia. It is surrounded by Arctic Ocean in the north, Pacific Ocean on the east side, and in the downward, or you can see in the south, there is Indian Ocean. In our previous lesson, we have also discussed about the highest point on the earth, which is in Asia, is Mount Everest, which is the border of China and Nepal. Here, the location of Mount Everest is here. The world's deepest lake, saltwater lake, Caspian Sea, is also situated in continent Asia. There are total 47 countries in continent Asia. If we talk about by area wise, so the largest country of continent Asia is in Russia, but Russia spans the continent Asia and Europe. 20% of the Russian side is in European side and the 80% is in Asian side. But if we discuss about the largest country entirely in Asia, that is China. Means the China is the largest country in continent Asia by area. Now let's come to the page we will discuss, which is included in our syllabus. Okay, unit number 2, Asia. Asia, which is our topic, which is related to introduction of the continent. Now you can see here the total countries in this continent are 47. The largest country of continent Asia is China. I have shown you before this the location of China on the map. Now come to the next point, which is major religions. There are so many religions which are practiced in continent Asia because Asia is the birthplace of many religions, including Islam, Christianity, Hinduism, Judaism, Shinto, Sikhism, Zoroastrianism, etc. All the major religions, traditions are practiced in the region, but the most practiced religions are Islam, Hinduism and Buddhism. This is the picture of masjid where the follower of Islam means the Muslims go for their worship. It is the picture of Buddhist temple where the Buddhist means the follower of Buddhism or go for their worship. And it is the picture of mandir where the follower of Hinduism or go for their worship. Now the next point is major rivers. There are so many rivers are flowing in continent Asia, but the major rivers which are flowing here is river Indus, Ganges and Yangtze. River Indus is touching almost the 4 countries, China, India, Pakistan and Afghanistan. Number 2, Ganges, which flows in India and Bangladesh. Now the third one is Yangtze, which is flowing in China. The next point is countries in Central Asia. Central Asian countries are the region which is situated in Asian continent, and it is made up of almost 8 countries. Now their names are Kazakhstan, number 2 Uzbekistan, number 3 Turkmenistan, number 4 Tajikistan, number 5 Kyrgyzstan, number 6 Azerbaijan, number 7 is Armenia, and number 8 is Georgia. The next point is Muslim countries. You can see here there is the list of the Muslim countries on the screen. So now let's read about the name of the Muslim countries. Number 1 Pakistan, then Iran. Number 3 is Afghanistan. Number 4 UAE. UAE stands for United Arab Emirates. Number 5 is Saudi Arabia. Number 6 is Oman. Number 7 is Yemen. Number 8 is Bahrain. Number 9 is Jordan. Number 10 is Lebanon. Number 11 is Syria. Number 12 is Iraq. Number 13 is Turkey. Number 14 is Qatar. Number 15 is Kuwait. And number 16 is Bangladesh. Number 17 is Maldives. Maldives is also the smallest country in continent Asia. Number 18 is Malaysia. Number 19 is Indonesia. So it is very important to know you about Indonesia, that Indonesia is the largest Muslim country by population. Means if we will discuss about the population, Muslim population, so Indonesia is in number 1 position. Number 20 is Brunei. 21 is Kazakhstan. 22nd is Uzbekistan. 23rd is Turkmenistan. 24th is Tajikistan. 25 is Kyrgyzstan, and number last is Azerbaijan. Okay student, it is all about our today's lesson. Hope you will be getting the important points. See you soon on the next topic. Stay happy. Allah Hafiz.